One of the most important aspects of video editing is what's called Itrace. And if you don't know what Itrace is, I highly recommend reading the book In the Blink of an Eye by Walter Murch. He goes over a lot of great editing techniques. But essentially what Itrace is where the viewer is looking on the screen. Now at first glance this may not seem like a big deal, but really you can use Itrace to invoke emotion in your videos. If you really think about it, if you don't pay attention to Itrace, you can really create some chaotic environments in your scene, pointing your viewer's eye really anywhere. Or you can make your edits smooth like butter. If you know exactly where the viewer is looking at, you can really fine-tune your edits and make your cuts seamless. Now, if you're editing inside Premiere Pro, what I suggest doing is using guides to really pinpoint exactly where the viewer is looking at. So in this example, to bring up guides, what I'm going to do is click on my program monitor and hit Command R to bring up the rulers. And in this shot, we know, where you're kind of looking at is kind of where her hands are. So in this area, that's where the viewer is going to be looking. And if you look at the next shot, we can line the shot up better if we want the viewer to look kind of where she's looking at. So for example, we can use the slip tool, keyboard shortcut Y, to kind of bring up the shot a little bit later. That way it kind of aligns to where that cross is. So now when we play this back, that cut is happening more in the Itrace area. Pretty cool, right? If you're interested in video editing and Premiere Pro, I made a bunch of tutorials. Here's one that I think you'd like right up here. Feel free to go watch it. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Until next time, take care.